ReadyConnect is the Windows print agent for ReadyForms and Label Ready, built for warehouse teams who need zebra labels without opening their ERP network to the internet. Install once to a permanent folder on the warehouse PC, not a temporary downloads extract. The agent polls readyforms.com.au over HTTPS, downloads queued ZPL jobs, and prints to your network Zebra on port 910. Map document types to printer IPs in the Cloud Console. Operators see online status, poll interval, and recent jobs in the Tray app. Support teams trace the queue without remote desktop. Works with ERP and WMS platforms that push jobs over HTTPS, including common Australian distribution systems. Pair with Label, ready for labels only, or full ready forms for invoices and dockets.